I want to start off this video with a challenge for you guys. If you guys can get this video up to an easy 300 likes, I'm going to buy the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment High. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. All of that really does help the YouTube algorithm. It pushes this video out to more people here on YouTube. So please make sure you guys click that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Travis Scott Fragment collaboration. Is it a must cop? Is it an easy pass? Will you be paying resale if you take an L on the highs, the lows, both? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. In this video, we're going to talk about another Travis Scott sneaker that has released in the past that has skyrocketed, went to the moon in price. This sneaker was not reselling much at all. There is barely profit to be made on this sneaker, and now this sneaker has went to the moon in price. Guys, this sneaker is straight fire. I picked up the sneaker myself for retail when it released. Let me show you guys what sneaker I'm talking about. The sneaker is actually behind me in my sneaker collection. Guys, I want to show you this bag that Sole Premise sent me. This bag is straight fire. Sneakerheads, listen up in the beginning of this video. This is for you. Trust me, I'm gonna help you right now. So right here is a Sole Premise backpack. Let me show you guys how awesome this bag is for sneakerheads. Guys, the bag holds my sneakers inside of the bag. As you guys can see, I have 2 pairs of Yeezys chilling in there. And check this out. At the top of the bag, I have my MacBook chilling right here inside the computer. So when I'm on the go, it's perfect. I could also fit more space for some more clothing as well. Take a look at the front of the bag. Really nice white color. They have a bunch of colors, different materials. Really nice leather used on this bag. And I have more space as well with some more gold zippers for some more storage. Plenty of space in this bag as well. Sole Premise backpacks are perfect for sneakerheads who are traveling. These bags are great. Tons of backpacks, duffel bags, all different types of bags, all different colors and styles. TSA approved. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your order from solepremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. So here is some of my sneaker collection. Not everything, but definitely a few of my pairs right here. Got some Yeezys, Turtle Doves, some Off-White, some Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s. Right, we got some Jordan 4s. We got the Travis, which we took a look at already, the Travis Scott Jordan 1. But today we're going to talk about what has happened on the original pair, the very first Travis Scott Jordan collaboration that released to the public, the Jordan 4 Travis Scott. Resale has went to the moon on this sneaker. Let's talk about it. The Travis Scott Air Jordan 4. Right here, guys, a beautiful Air Jordan 4. Very nice colorway. These, when they first released, were not reselling for much money at all. Considering retail price was $225, these were selling for about $300 on the resale market when they first released. Insane. Isn't that crazy to think about? That a Travis Scott sneaker, a Jordan 4, was $300, guys, at one time on the resale market back in 2018 when the sneaker released. Isn't that insane to think about? Take a look at prices now. Over $1,000. I knew it was gonna happen. I actually had a conversation with my brother when this sneaker released, and I told him, buy pairs. Buy a bunch of pairs. I was broke then. He had money. I told my brother, invest in these. He did not listen to me. I told him, go buy pairs. Go spend $350 for pairs. Buy them a lot. Buy a lot of pairs. I told him they're going to go easily one day to $1,000 without a doubt in my mind. I knew it was going to happen because this was the start of the Travis Scott hype. The real Travis Scott hype. Yes, the Air Forces were there, but the 4s, this is where it really started with Jordan Brand. But they sold out on the Travis website via first come, first serve. No raffle on this release on Travis's website. I took a W on Travis's website, which was awesome. I told my brother once again, buy pairs. They were gonna hit $1,000 one day. I told him within 2 to 3 years they'll be at $1,000. He didn't want to listen to me, and look what happened. They were a great investment if you were able to hold on to them and not wear them, because this is a beautiful sneaker. A lot of people have pairs that are beat up. I see worn, beat up pairs all the time. They're very hard to keep clean. One day I plan on wearing the Travis Scott 4s, but you know, keeping them dead stock, man, it's just a dope shoe to have. I actually am looking for a worn pair in a 10.5 or an 11. So if you have a worn pair in good condition with OG All, hit me up, 10.5 or an 11. I'm looking to buy a pair so I can rock that pair and keep this pair dead stock. This is a dope shoe, very, very clean, and just a must-have in my personal sneaker collection. That is also why this sneaker has went up in price. But the Jordan 4 hype has risen. It has actually went a lot up. It's basically, I would say, the second best, most hyped Jordan model there is. The second most hyped there is. I think the hype is definitely there for Jordan 4s nowadays. The resale's going up on a lot of pairs, and the Travis really was no exception and skyrocketed. I'm talking like 3 to 4 times, more than 3 times, more towards 4 times the price now. Isn't that crazy, guys? They went like 3.5 to 4 times the price. Isn't that insane? Insane. Yes, it's been about 3 years later. However, it didn't take that long to even go up, to even hit 500-600, guys. Take a look at the StockX graph. They went up to from 300-ish to about 500 a little bit later. Then they were starting to creep up to about 7, 8, 1,000, and now they're at like $1,100, $1,200. And in my opinion, they could continue to go up, which is crazy. These could we see them become a $2,000 sneaker? Dead stock? Isn't that crazy? From 300 to like 1,100 now, possibly 2,000. Who knows, man? That's crazy. That is insane. This is a dope Air Jordan 4, a dope colorway. I love the colorway of the sneaker. Houston Oilers, the UNC blue is just gonna do well on a Jordan 4. Travis, man, you knew these were going to go up, guys. I knew it. It was too obvious. In my opinion, way too obvious. These were way undervalued. We're not going to see a Jordan Travis Scott, you know, retro go for really that $300 price point anymore. Not anytime soon, that's for sure. So let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Let me know if you actually own a pair of the Travis Scott 4s, and are they clean? Are they dead stock? I know a lot of people, like I said, have beat up, worn pairs, but got a nice crispy dead stock pair right here. This is a dope shoe. I've actually given away a pair of these before here on the channel. So if you guys love sneaker giveaways, hey, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I have a new giveaway coming for you guys very, very soon over on Instagram as well. So be sure to give me a follow on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think about the Travises. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.